If you've ever used 23andMe, you might want to pay attention. They just filed for bankruptcy, and that means your genetic samples could be up for grabs. Is that a big deal? Well, only for about 15 million people who have willingly given up their precious saliva. Arguably, good news though for the folks who hate hearing their friends say that they're 50% Irish, 20% French, 10% Cherokee, 5% Lithuanian, 8% Ethiopian, and 7% Greek, because who really cares? 23andMe appeared to be optimistic about their future back in November.
A year from now, 23andMe will be growing and thriving.
5 years from now, 23andMe
will transform healthcare.
That didn't age so well though, did it? With bankruptcy, merger, or a sale, personal data might also be transferred, hence the Attorney General of California urging customers to request their information be purged. Once worth over $6 billion, as of March 24th, 23andMe is worth just $48 million. So to avoid God knows who having access to your genetic material, you've just got to log into your account, verify your age, head to settings, scroll to 23andMe data, hit view, and then hit delete account. A company spokesperson has assured that following these steps, your data will be deleted and your DNA samples destroyed.
Incinerated.
A 5-month-long data breach in 2023 led to the leak of over 7 million users' data, which led to a $30 million class action settlement, and it was basically all downhill from there. Founder Ann Wojcicki has since resigned as CEO and is now attempting to buy back the company. Have you ever used 23andMe? Are you worried about what's going to happen with your data? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to follow us for more updates.